So in this video today, we're gonna unbox the Nikon 6Z.
Z9.
What?
Z9. Nikon Z9.
The 6Z, bro? What are you talking about?
Turn that box around.
Ah, the Nikon Z9. Exciting day. Nikon have done so much over the last year. So we're gonna unbox Nikon Z9 today. I've just got this yesterday. I haven't unboxed it at all.
You have.
No, I haven't.
You have. I saw you trying to
I
rip that
haven't.
box open. You have.
Okay. All right. Just a little bit.
Liar.
All right. Just a little bit more than a little bit.
Yeah, right.
All right. Okay. Can you leave me alone now? By the way, this is not a review. This is just a first impression of how this Nikon Z9 feels and look like, but it's not yet a review. Okay, let's crack this open, should we? I'm excited, bruh. Alrighty, I'm liking the sign already. Well, apparently this box, it says home for Christmas. This is custom only for Australian market. Hopefully I don't drop the camera here. Ooh la la, look at these yellow colors. Look at this Z sign. So cool. My heart's pumping, by the way. So as usual, the warranty cards. I love this, man. Z series stickers. This is something that people can be proud of, stick on the laptops, on the car. Let's put this aside. Ooh, left side or right side first? Oh, this is the camera. I'll leave this to the last. Let's crack open the right side first. Alrighty, what have we got here? This gotta be the charger, I reckon. Yep, it is a charger. It's got an indication of how many percent the battery is charging, which is awesome. Nikon Z strap. I've never used a strap, by the way, but definitely this is a thing that comes with a camera. This is the battery. Let's see how many mAh the battery capacity is. 3,300, 10 volt. Apparently this battery lasts a very long time. Definitely we're gonna put this into the test as well. So, some little accessories here. It's probably like the Nikon Z6. This is for the cable attached to the side of the camera. Not gonna use it anytime soon. This is the adapter for the charger. Oh, it uses USB-C. I like how USB-C is getting more and more common these days. Alright, so it's the data cable, USB-A, I think, the normal one, to USB-C. Is there anything else underneath this? Okay, no, that's just the only box on the right hand side. Let's go to the box on the left hand side. You guys ready? Oh. Woohoo! I can hear this calling for me. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll present you Nikon Z9. Man, the smell. Ah, oh, so smooth, hey. What a feeling. Alrighty, let's chuck the battery in. Alright. Oh, I get nervous. Beautiful. Alright, before I turn it on, let's look through the body. Let me check this out. Ooh, the sensor is still exposed. Just first impression about the body. The grip is very deep. It feels very Nikon. It feels very solid. It's got 3 function buttons here right next to the grip. On my Z6 it's got 2. Normally it's got 2, but because it's a flagship pro bodies, it's got a lot of ports actually. It's got full size HDMI, which is great. It's got a LAN cable, which is network cable. The mic jack plugs actually on the top, which is close to the hot shoe, or you know, which is normally where we put our mic. And then the headphone jack at the back here. This button right here to switch between the video and photos looks similar. It's got 2 joysticks. I believe that this one joystick right here is to be used when we're shooting vertically using the vertical grip. So underneath here, it's got a mic feature. Quality white balance, I'm familiar with that, but this one's got a mic icon on it. I'm not sure whether this is to set the mic sensitivity or something else, but man, this feels damn solid. Okay, I'm gonna grab my lens and attach that to this camera. Actually, I'm gonna check if the battery turns on first. Yes, it does have a little bit of battery power here. Yeah, this button right here with the mic symbol, it does control the microphone sensitivity. Let's pair this Nikon Z9 with this 50mm 1.2. It's what a piece of the lens as well, this one. So let's pair them up. Look at this, what a combo. It's pretty good weight workout as well. So on the memory card door, it's got this lock key, which is really good because it prevents the door to open accidentally. It's the 2 slots for CF Express, but I'm using XQD right now. I'm still ordering the CF Express. Alrighty. There's one more thing that we need to do that we haven't done. One of the most satisfying things to do when you have a new camera. Let's peel this off. So the menu looks very similar. It feels Nikon and it does look a lot familiar. So why do I get this Nikon Z9 instead of just using the Nikon Z6 that I've got right now? Well, I do shoot wedding photos and Nikon Z6 only have 1 memory card slots. Nikon Z9 has 2 card slots. I know that Z6 II and Z7 II does have 2 card slots as well, but this Z9 gives me a lot of boost in terms of speed and focusing. And I also shoot commercial videos and events. When you're shooting events, often that you need to let the camera continuously recording past that 29 minutes and 59 seconds timeline or time limitation that I have on my Nikon Z6. Apparently the 8K video goes more than an hour, maybe 2 hours, but definitely more than an hour without overheating. The other reasons why I got this Nikon Z9 is because it records log internally, so I don't need to have a Atomos Ninja 5 like I do if I am to shoot and record logs using Nikon Z6. So this is gonna be a game changer. There's a lot that we can do to test this camera, but if I have to shortlist the things that I need to test out is the focusing speed. That's number 1, focusing speed. I'm gonna test out these 120 frames per second as well. I'm gonna test out the high ISO capabilities and the high ISO results. I want to see how the grain looks like. Definitely will be testing the video, the log, the 4K 120 frames per second, the 8K, and whatever goes along the way, maybe the flash sync. I have to go through the menu and see what else that this camera can do. So that's it for the unboxing video today. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned because I will be using these and I'm gonna be reviewing this camera probably a few months down the track because I need to use this camera in a lot of use cases before that I can present a fair review. Okay, thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. My name is G and keep making this world a better place. Peace. Listen. Still going. Still going. The heck? Wow.